Hello everyone, welcome to HBN Infotech Tutorials. This is Himagiri. In this tutorial, you will learn how to draw a Rubik's Cube in Microsoft Paint. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Also, take a little time to like and share my tutorial videos with your friends. Could buy Rubik's Cube puzzles on Amazon, link in the description below. Now let's start by drawing the line. Before that, change the line thickness as shown. To copy the line, draw a rectangular selection around the line, hold down the Ctrl key and click and drag, but make sure the transparent selection is checked. Now draw two more lines to connect the previously drawn lines. Now you should see a diamond shape. Now make multiple copies as shown. Now we are done with a 3x3 diamond shapes. Now make a copy of the entire thing, then flip it horizontally as shown. Now draw the lines as shown to complete the Rubik's Cube. Then finally paint the Rubik's Cube with the fill with color tool as shown. I guess you have learnt how to draw the Rubik's Cube in Microsoft Paint from scratch. Thanks for watching.